ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We have finished Tatra Jatah Tatra Bhavah. Now we have to see Tad Adhite Tad Veda. In the meaning of the one who has studied. Tad Veda and Tadi Adhite both are same meaning. Either it can be one who taught or one who has studied. Either meaning can be there, or one who knows. Any of these arthas, a or ika, two pratyas will come. Actually, in that sutra, they have not mentioned what is the exact pratyaya. This is not a, it could be an pratyaya. Ika is nothing but, we have seen yesterday some pratyaya, masikaha. Masikaha, how this, what is this pratyaya?
न्या प्रत्यय न्या
Than pratyaya. Than pratyaya will change into ika. Tasyekaha, by this sutra, than will be replaced by ika. Atha ini thanau. Atha ini thanau. This is the sutra. Tan pratyaya will be replaced by ika by tasyekaha. That's how ika will come. A will be there because of an. This is what I am thinking, but in that sutra or anywhere it has not mentioned. So far, whatever I know. So I assume it is Tan pratyaya and An pratyaya. Tan and An pratyaya, both pratyas will come. Prathama swara vriddhi happens how we saw for all other pratyas also. Ved padne wala, Vedajna, the one who has studied Vedas, is called, the one who knows Vedas is Vedajna. If we add the pratyaya, then Vaidikaha. Vaidikaha, which pratyaya we added?
Than.
Than pratyaya. Vaidikaha. The one who has studied Vedas is called Vaidikaha, or studying. Anything can be there. The one who has studied Puranas is called
पौराणिक
पौराणिक
पौराणिकः. One who has studied tarka.
तार्किकः
तार्किकः. One who has studied nyaya.
नैयायिकः
One who has studied vyakarana.
वैयाकरण
So we all are vyakarana. That's why Swamiji sometimes mentions vyakaranas. Next is tena proktam.
The Vaiyakarana looks different from the others. There is no ikara. Is it
Anpratyaya.
anpratyaya? Okay, thank you.
It could be an or it could be tan pratyaya, right?
Is it or is both? Do you have an first and then tan, or
No. It can be anything.
one of those? Okay. Thank
One of those. Tena proktam. The Vigraha Vakya for these Shabdas is Vyakaranam tad adhite Vaiyakaranaha Puranam adhite Pauranikaha Tarkikaha. What could be the Vigraha Vakya for Tarkikaha?
तर्क अधीते तार्किकः
Tarkam adhite. Dvitiya ekavachanam. Next, Nayayikaha.
न्यायम् अधीते नैयायिकः
Vaidikaha.
वेदम् अधीते वैदिकः
That is the Vigraha Vakya. Next, Tena Proktam. Tena Proktam means if a person has written something, means it is said by him, then in that case, after the Rachayita commentator's name, a or iya pratyaya will come. I assume this an pratyaya, it could be an or iya pratyaya will come. Iya also could be gha pratyaya. Ayaneyiniya padakachagham pratyayadinam. In that gha pratyaya. No, iya is cha pratyaya. Shaliya cha pratyaya. An pratyaya or iya pratyaya will come. Thus prathama swara will get vriddhi. This point all of you have understood, right?
Yes, Purnaki, I think last class you explained that.
Okay. Rushi rachitaha arshaha. Ru become
Ram.
Ru becomes
Ar.
Vriddhi. I have written that in the document. With seeing the answer also, you can assume what could be that answer.
Ru becomes R only.
I cannot hear you. It's very low, your voice.
Ru becomes R only.
Ah,
R.
R. Yes, yes, R. Ru becomes R. Rishi Rachita. In that case, An Pratyaya will come. So if we here we are using An Pratyaya. R Sh. Arsh. Arsha. That's how Rishi Rachitaha Arshaha. Manu Rachita. Manu Rachita means
Manavaha Rachita.
no. What is the meaning of Manu Rachita?
Made by man.
Yeah.
Huh. Written by man or made by man. Rishi Rachita also written by Rishi. How this Manu Rachita form has Manavaha. First we have to say this is Tena Proktam. Tritiya Vibhakti has to come here. Tritiya Vibhakti Rushina Proktaha Arshaha. Then Manu Rachita. What will be the Vigraha Vakya? Rushina Proktaha Arshaha.
Manuho Proktaha Manaho.
Hmm.
Manuho Proktam Manavaha.
Manuho is which Vibhakti? Shall I write here?
It should be Manuna.
Manuna.
Manuna Proktaha.
Manuna Proktaha. Manuna Proktaha Manavaha. How Manavaha has come? Manu is the Shabda.
Echvayavayava.
Manu becomes Ruddhi Ma.
Manu is the Shabda. Which Pratyaya we are adding?
An Pratyaya.
An Pratyaya will not. Okay, we'll leave the Prakriya. Manuna Proktaha Manavaha. Yesterday we did similar one, right? Prakriya.
Yes.
What is that? Raghoho putraha Raghavaha. Didn't I type that? Ukara becomes Okara. In that Tasya Apatyam, in that sutra, they have given one more niyama, Ukara becomes Okara. But here in this, there is they have not given any niyama. So here also that Ukara becomes Okara could be. That's how Manavaha becomes. Tena Prokta. That's how Manavaha becomes.
So can we take man as son or offspring of Manu? Is that how Manava? So Tasya Apatyam applies here.
No, if it is
Manu.
Tasya Apatyam, Manoho Apatyam,
Hmm.
that should come. Here Manuna Proktaha Manavaha.
Oh, okay. So it is not Manoho Apatyam.
No, Manuna Proktaha. Tena Proktam, this Trutiya. Tena iti Trutiya Samarthat Proktam iti asmin arte yatha vihitam pratyaha bhavati. In Trutiya Artha, and it is said Proktam. Proktam means said by him. In that Artha, this Anpratyaya and Iya Pratyaya will come.
Okay, thank you.
So, Manuna Proktaha Manavaha. In that Prakriya could be same like that. Manu Ukara becomes Okara, then only Echo Eva Eva will come, Manavaha will come. But what is the sutra, we don't know, so we will not go into Prakriya. Manavaha. Panini Rachitaha Paniniyaha. What is the Vigraha Vakya here? It's simple, na?
Panina
Padina Proktaha
Praktam
Paniniya.
It's two nas are there, so it's so confused. And in that Tritiya Vibhakti also na will come. How many nas we have to put? Anybody?
Panini, is it Panini na? That is three. No.
Yes. Panini na, three nas should come. Panini na, Harina. So in Harina, Hari is as it is there and we are adding another na. So Panini will keep as it is and we have to add another na. So Panini na, Panina, Proktam. What is that?
Panini
Paniyaha. Paniyaha, iya pratyaya if we use. If we use a pratyaya, Paniniya. What is Paniniya or Paniniyaha? Meaning?
It's written here Ashtadhyayi.
Yes. Valmiki Rachita. Vigraha Vakyam.
Valmiki na Rachita or Prokta Valmiki Yam. Why does Yam come here?
Iya, na?
But
Why it is not Pullinga? Why it is?
Napumsaka?
Napumsakalinga. They have given Ramayanam.
Whereas Ashtadhyayi is Strilinga.
Yes, that's why Paniniya they have given.
Thank you.
Some more examples are there. You can look at here. Madhaviyam. Madhaviyam. Have you heard Madhaviya Vritti? Madhaviya Dhatupata is also there. What is the Vigraha Vakya for Madhaviyam? Those are we know. This we don't know.
Say Madhavena.
Hmm.
Okay. Madhavena Rachitam. Madhaviyam.
Yes, Madhavena Rachitam or Proktam Madhaviyam. That is Madhava. Who is Madhava?
We know of two, right? One is Vidyaranya Swami and the other is Madhusudan Saraswati.
This Madhava is Vidyaranya Swamiji.
Yes.
This Madhaviya Dhatu Patha has written by Vidyaranya Swamiji. That's called Madhaviya Vritti or Madhaviya Dhatu Patha. Okay, next we'll go to next sutra. Tasyedam. Tasya idam. This is of his. Means it's Sambandha Artha. When it is in the sense of Sambandha Artha, relation, sense of relation, a or ika pratyas will come. An or than pratyas will come. As it is, Prathama Swara will get Vruddhi. Dina Sambandhi of the day, it becomes Dainikam. Ika has come here. I don't have the Vigraha Vakya for this, but we can say Tasya idam Dinasya idam Dainikam. We can say that way.
So we have to use Shashti in this case.
Yes, Shashti. Ahan. Ahan Ahnikam.
Ahnaha idam. Ahni.
Daivaha.
Devasya idam.
Idam.
Sharadaha.
It says Sharad here.
That's what I was. Sharad. Sharada.
Oh, Sharada is the word, and it is Sharadasya idam. or something.
Idam, yeah.
Wait. Sharat is Dakaranta Pullinga Shabda. How it goes? Bhagavat Shabda. How it goes? Shashti.
Sharadaha.
Yes. Sharadaha idam. Sharadaha. Or Sharadaha ayam. Sharadaha. Since it's Pullinga, ayam will come.
Isn't Sharad Strilinga? Or is it Pullinga?
Sharath. Strilinga. Sharath is Strilinga. Iyam. Sharadaha iyam Sharadaha. Lokasambandhi.
Lokasya idam
Hmm.
laukikah.
Bhutasambandhi.
Bhutasya idam.
Huh. Idam.
Bhautikah.
These all are very easy. Only thing is we have to know whether Strilinga, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, that's all. And we have to know Vibhaktis very clearly. So Vakyas you can do. And all these meanings I have written on the tab Shabda Kosha. I think Shabda Kosha tab. So meanings also you can see. Tena tulyam kriyached vatihi. Tatra tasya iva. Tulya or sadrisha means tulya means similar. Sadrisha also similar. If we want to say that tulya or sadrisha in that sense, we use vat. Vati. Vati. The pratyaya is vati pratyaya. If you remember recently, Swamiji was asking this.
Anumanam patam. Yes, yes.
Yes. See, now we are familiar with all the pratyas almost, but only thing is we don't know Vishesh. Samanyataha we know. Visheshataha we don't know. That's all. Brahmana ke tulya. Brahmanavat. Like this, we are very familiar. Vaishyavat, Shudravat, Ramavat. Ghatavat, Patavat. Vat is, right? I don't need to go anything in that, right?
Yes, good.
How to do the prakriya? Brahmana is there and Vati is there. Ikara will get itsagna, Brahmana plus Vat, Brahmanavat. That is the same. You can read if you want. It is Vati Pratyaha Bhavati. Vati Pratyaya will come. In Kriya, Tulyam Kriyam Karoti Asmin Arthe Tritiya Samarthat Vati Pratyaha Bhavati. In the sense of same Kriya is doing, in that sense, Vati Pratyaya will come. Tatra tasya iva. Iva asmin arte shashti samarthat tatha cha saptami samarthat Vati Pratyaha Bhavati. This iva, tatra tasya iva. Iva will come in the shashti artha, also saptami artha. Means to justify the shashti and to justify the saptami. Example has given saptami for and shashti also. Etat vakyam svikurmaha. Where this tatra tasyeva has come? In this same sutra, Tena tulyam kriya chedvatihi, this is one sutra. Tatra tasyeva is another sutra. that tatra tasyeva will look at little bit. Mathuraya, both are same actually. Vat only will come and meaning also same, like similar only. But little bit difference is there. Mathurayam yadrishaha durgaha asti. Tadrisha, all this is not required. Ha, Mathurayam iva durgaha dwarakayam asti. You can read if you want later, but for now we'll see in short. Mathurayam iva durgaha dwarakayam asti. What is the meaning of this?
A fort that is there in Mathura, a similar fort is there in Dwaraka.
So this is Saptami. Mathurayam is Saptami, Dwarakayam is Saptami. Saptami Samarthat. That is the Saptami. Shashti Samarthasya. Devadattasya iva dhenuho yajnadattasya asti. What is it means?
Devadatta's cow is the same as or Yajnadatta's cow. Or
Yes. Yes, it's same. Devadatta's cow is similar to Yajnadatta's cow. So here Shashti has come. In the previous one, Trutiya Samarthat. Here it is given as Trutiya. Tena tulyam kriya chedvatihi. Here Vati Pratyaya will come by Trutiya. Tatra tasyeva, by this sutra, Saptami Artha and Shashti Artha, in this sense, Vati Pratyaya will come. Here Trutiya, we'll see the example. Brahmanena tulyam adhite saha brahmanavat. What is the meaning of it?
The one who studies like a Brahmana is called Brahmanavat.
So here Brahmanena tulyam adhite. Brahmanena is in the third case. Tritiya vibhakti. That is how Tritiya, Shashti, Saptami. In all these three cases, this Vati Pratyaya has come.
I didn't understand how in Saptami the Vati Pratyaya came. There is only use of Iva, right?
Yadrishaha is there, na?
Okay, Yadrishaha.
Yadrishaha, Tadrishaha, Eva. Eva is there.
So Eva is instead of Vat.
Okay. Yes. Where is here? It's Eva only is there, na? In the main sentence, Eva is there.
Eva. So okay. So we can either see it in the form of Vat, Vati, etc. Or we can see it in the form of Eva.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Tasya bhavastvatalo, next sutra. This also we are very familiar. Tasya bhavastvatalo. Bhava artha mein shabda at the end. Tva, if it is there, bhava artha, either tva pratyaya can come or ta pratyaya. Tva and tal pratyaya. Tal pratyaya will remain as ta. Tva or ta. What is the example for tva? any shabda we want to
there are lots given in the Vidvatvam, etc. So Brahmanatvam.
Ghatatva is our familiar example.
That's right.
So Ghatatva, Patatva, these are the bhavartha. What is the meaning of bhava? We are so familiar, Ghatatva, Patatva. Ghatatva means what?
It's a jati, right?
Avacheda.
So they have explained in Sanskrit very well. So we'll just read it. I hope you will enjoy. Kim nama bhavaha. What is bhava? Jagati vidyamanasya pratyekam api padarthasya kechana vishishta gunadharmaha vartante. Jagati, in the world, vidyamanasya pratyekam api padarthasya kechana vishishta gunadharmaha vartante. So to know it specifically to any padartha, there are some gunas are there for that padartha. Yaihi saha padartha bhinna prakarasya padarthanam apekshaya prithak rupena avagantum shakyate. By those dharmas, that padartha will separate itself to understand what it is. Yatha ghata iti vastu svikurmaha chet. Okay, let us take ghata. Ghatasya kechana vishishta gunadharmaha santi. Ghata has some vishishta gunadharmas. Vishishta gunas. Yaihi ghataha. By which ghata? Ghataha eva asti. Na anyaha. Yaihi, by someone, by whoever. Ghataha eva asti na anyaha iti jnayate. So, what we are knowing is this is ghata, not any other thing. Yatha ghataha mrittikayaha nirmitaha. Just as ghata has created from the mrittika, from clay, ghataha prayaha golakaraha. So that ghata is in golakara, means round. Ghate jalam sthapayitum. We are desired to fill the water, or we wish to fill the water. Shakyate. Ghataha chakrasya sahayena nirmiyate. With the chakra, we created that, with the help of chakra, we created that ghata. Adayaha bhinnaha gunadharmaha ghatasya avagamanartham prayujyante. Bhinnaha gunadharmaha. All these different dharmas are, means all different attributes are there to understand the ghata. Ete sarve gunadharmaha ghatasya dharma visheshaha santi iti prayujyat iti uchyate. All these are vishesha dharmas of ghata. एतेषामेव साहाय्येन कः अपि मनुष्यः किञ्चन नूतनं वस्तु दृष्ट्वा अयं घटः अस्ति इति वक्तुं शक्नोति. Okay, by all these help, means what is, how ghata has created, with what are the material is required, and all these things whatever we saw, with this help, if anybody sees the ghata, new ghata, he says this is ghata. How he is saying? All these vishesha dharmas, with the help of all these vishesha dharmas, he is able to say this is ghata. Vaktum shaknoti. Ete dharma visheshaha eva bhavaha namna jayante. Ete dharma visheshaha eva. All these dharmas alone called bhava. So it is not one thing. So whatever is required for ghata, to know the ghata, all those things are included, then only it calls as bhava. So you can read in English also, they have given very nicely. I don't know how much I read properly.
It was very nice, Purnati.
I was tempted to read all those in Vyakaran. They have given simple way. Tasya bhavas tvadalau. We are here, right? त्व प्रत्ययान्तके रूप नपुंसकलिंग में ही चलेंगे गृहवत. So it is it will be in only napumsakalinga. Ta pratyantake रूप रमा के तुल्य स्त्रीलिंग. How tal becomes ta? अस्मिन् अर्थे षष्ठी समर्थात् त्व तथा tal pratyeo bhavatah. It is actually tal pratyaya, but it is in strilinga. That's why ta pratyaya will come and makes it is ta. In tal, lakara will get disappear by halantyam. Ta will remain. In that ta, strilinga pratyaya will come ta pratyaya. In the top, a will remain. Ta plus a, ta. That's how ta will come. Examples we'll see here. Is it clear how tal becomes ta? Shall I write here? Ghata plus tal. If I am going too fast and not making anything clear, let me know. Ghata plus tal. What happens to lakara?
Halantyam.
Halantyam. Yeah.
This is ghatata, but we want it strilinga because this tal pratyaya will be in strilinga alone. Ghatata plus ta pratyaya. Top is strilinga pratyaya. We'll see in last chapter all strilinga pratyayas. What are the strilinga pratyayas? To make it strilinga, we have to bring top pratyaya. Ghatata is there. Then in top, what will remain?
Akara.
What happens to pakara?
Halantyam.
Halantyam tasya lopaha. What happens to takara? How it gets its sangna? Takara? This is not a frequent word. Have you heard chutu?
Just now I was going to say chutu.
Okay, good. Chutu, by the sutra, the takara will get lopa. It's sangna and tasya lopaha. What will remain here? Akara will remain. What happens here? Ghatata. Oh, sorry. Ghatata. This is how ghatata will come. Ghatata is which pratyaya?
Tal pratyaya.
Tal pratyaya.
తా పోతే ఆ వస్తుంది దీర్ఘ ఆ వస్తుందా హ్రస్వ ఆ వస్తుందా
Dirgha a. Dirgha a.
ఓకే ఓన్లీ
Ka will get its sangna.
టకార మాత్రమే పోతుంది ఆ ఉంటుంది
Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, Purnati.
This is tal pratyaya will be remain as ta in that way. It goes like Rama. Laghu. Laghu, if we use tva pratyaya, what is the form?
Logo.
Tal pratyaya.
लघुता
Logo.
It is there. Guru. Guru shabda.
त्वा प्रत्यय गुरुत्वं तल प्रत्यय गुरुता
Brahmanatvam.
त्वा प्रत्यय
Tal pratyaya.
Brahmanata.
Next. Kshatriyatvam.
क्षत्रियता
Shudratvam.
Shudata.
Vidvas.
विद्वत्वं विद्वत्ता
Dina.
दीनत्वं
Dinata.
दीनता
Hina.
Hinatvam.
Hinata.
Murkha.
Murkhatvam. Murkhata.
Kinna.
खिन्नत्वं खिन्नता
Dishta.
दुष्टत्वं दुष्टता
Bhavaha asmin arte shashti samarthat. If you remember, Swamiji always asked the question like Dinaha. Deenatvam, if it is there, Deenasya it should be. Deenasya and the means like Devadattasya Deenatvam. Devadattaha
Dinaha.
Deenaha. Because it is Shashti Samarthat. Tva pratyaya is Shashti Samarthat. That's why Devadattasya Deenatvam means that Tvam is indicating Shashti. If we are removing Shashti Devadattaha, then Deenaha. And same as Tal Pratyaya also. Shashti. But Swamiji did not ask for that Tal Pratyaya. Why? He will ask so many times. Up to this is clear, right?
Yes.
Gunavachana Brahmanadibhyaha. Sutra is complete or? Karmanicha. Gunavachana Brahmanadibhyaha Karmanicha. This is the sutra. Shashti samarthebhyaha gunavachibhyaha shabdebhyaha brahmanadi ganasya cha shabdebhyaha bhavaha tatha kriya asmin arte shnai pratyayaha bhavati. Shnai pratyaya will come. When in the sense of bhava artha or kriya artha. Nimittas are two. Bhava or kriya. For which Shashti samarthebhyaha gunavachibhyaha shabdebhyaha. Gunavachi shabdas which are in Shashti and Brahmanadi gana shabdas. What are the Gunavachi Shabdas and what are the Brahmanadigana Shabdas? I have written here. You can look at later. This is Gunavachi Shabdas. Jada, Alasa, Taruna, Bala, Madhura, Mudha, etc. Adayaha is given. Not only this much. Some more could be there. Some more is there. Adayaha is given. Some more is there. तस्य भावः तथा च तस्य कर्म अस्मिन् अर्थे शै प्रत्ययः भवति. सो जडस्य भावः जाड्यं, जडस्य कर्म जाड्यं, जडस्य, jada is the shabda. What kind of shabda it is? It is guna vachaka षष्ठी समर्थेभ्यः, षष्ठी समर्थ शब्द. It is giving in the bhava artha and the jadyam, jadasya bhavaha, jadyam, it becomes jadyam. Ja will become dirgha because of vriddhi. So at the end, shay pratyaya will come. Jada, I'll write here. Jada plus shay. What will remain in shay?
Yeah.
Ya will remain. That Shakara will get its sangna by
Lashakvatadite.
no, Lashakvatadite Shakara is Talavya Shakara, not Murdhanya Shakara.
Okay.
I will look at this Shakara, how it gets lopa. We'll keep it for now. Ya will remain. Ja will become Dirgha because of Vriddhi. Let me see if they have given the Prakriya. Here Akara will also get Lopa. Akara will get Slopa, Jadya, and it is Napumsakalinga, that's why Makara will come. Akara gets Lopa by which sutra, that I don't know. We'll just keep it Jadyam. Jadasya bhavaha Jadyam. Jadasya karma also Jadyam. Alasasya bhavaha
Alasyam.
Alasasya karma
Alasya.
Alasyam. Same way, Tarunasya bhavaha Tarunyam. Karma, Tarunasya karma Tarunyam. Balasya bhavaha Balyam. Balasya karma Balyam. Same way, Brahmanadi ganasya shabdebhyaha api bhava karma asmin arte shay pratyayah bhavati. In the same way, Brahmanadi Gana, all these shabdas are belongs to Brahmana Gana. With all these shabdas, bhava and karma artha, shay pratyaya will come. Actually, this shay pratyaya will used very, very frequently. Same way, here also Brahmanasya bhavaha Brahmanyam, Vadavasya bhavaha Vadavyam, Chorasya bhavaha Chauryam, this we know. Chapalasya bhavaha Chapalyam. Is this clear, right? Here they have given. We can do practice here. They have given Antima Aka Lopa. See, they have given the niyama. Antima A. Where is Antima A?
Jada. Jar.
In this, Akara gets Lopa. But which Sutra, that we don't know. Then only Jadyam will come. So even if we make some prakriya, it should be correct. Guna Vachana, in this, what is the meaning of guna? Means attributes. Any attribute we can take. Like Shura is also a quality. Shurasya bhavaha shauryam. Saundaryam. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
Sundarasya bhavam sound.
Bhavaha.
Bhavaha. Sundarasya bhavaha soundaryam.
Dhairyam. Okay. It is not dhairyam, dhairyam.
Dhirasya bhavaha dhairyam.
Somebody else. Saukyam.
Sukhasya bhavaha saukyam.
Somebody else. Kavyam. What happened? I cannot hear you. Your voice is not clear, Ji. Can others are able to hear him?
Not really.
Can you say again? No. Anybody?
Kavihi bhavam bhavaha kavyam.
Anybody?
Kavyaha bhavaha.
No. Anybody?
Kavehe bhavaha. No.
Kavau bhavaha. Kavehe.
Kavehe karma.
Kavehe.
Okay. Not bhavaha, karma.
Kavehe karma kavyam. Maybe used also bhava, but I think karma is the better. Brahmanyam.
Brahmanasya bhavaha brahmanyam.
Bhava, karma, both can be there. Vidagdha.
What is Vidagdha, Poonaji?
Dagdha means burnt.
Okay.
We could be Visheshena Dagdham.
So vidaktasya karma vaidagyam.
Vidvas. This is difficult. What is Vaidushyam?
विदुषः भाव
Vidushaha bhava athava karma Vaidushyam.
वैदुष्य
Okay. Okay. We'll see next two niyamas tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.